Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the pump, this pump that you see right here. This one is from 2010, so it's definitely been working there for a while. And it was time to retire the water pump. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. And we're gonna be using some steam and then some hot water. We clean a bit around the machine, we clean a little bit of the hopper, a little bit of the spouts, but we just replace the water. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, excellent flow, really good color. Great quantity, as we did tell him to put a little bit more than 2 ounces. Great crema as well. Good shot of espresso coming out from this DeLonghi. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water. As you can see right here, steady stream coming out through the one, working excellent. And now we can test the steamer. It's gonna take a bit for the thermoblock to get up to steam temperature, but once it does, the water pump will start pulsing just like that. Water will come out through the thermoblock and it will come out through the one. And as it gets hotter, we're gonna see an increase of pressure. As we're seeing it right now. And now that it's fully at steam temperature, we can see a nice steam coming out through the one. Excellent flow, excellent temperature. No leaks coming out through the top. No leaks coming out through the sides. Working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.